Welcome to online classes DEO Nalgonda. Today discussing about the chapter is carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. The electronic configuration of carbon. Discussing about chapter is carbon and its compounds. The electronic configuration of carbon, occurrence of carbon and allotropes of carbon. These are the three subtopics. The first one is electronic configuration of carbon. Electronic configuration of carbon. The symbol of the carbon is C. Carbon is a non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Therefore, the carbon belongs to 4th A group elements. The atomic number is 6. Carbon atomic number is 6. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Therefore, here the 2s2, 2p2 is the outermost electronic configuration. Outermost electronic configuration or outermost electronic configuration are valency electronic configuration. Outermost electronic configuration are valency electronic configuration. Valency electronic configuration. In this 2s containing 2 electrons, 2s substaining 2 electrons, 2p containing 2 electrons. This is the 2px1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0, 2pz0. Here there is no electrons in 2pz. Therefore, in this 2p, p subcell containing 2 single electrons are there in ground state. Therefore, this is the ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. In this ground state electronic configuration, carbon containing in the p subcell containing 2 electrons, 2 single electrons. Therefore, that valency is in ground state carbon valency is 2. Ground state electron configuration is 2. Ground state electronic configuration. Ground state valency of carbon. Ground state valency of carbon is 2 and remaining excited state. Remaining excited state. What is the meaning of excited state? The lower energy electrons, lower energy electrons goes to the higher energy. The electrons jumps from 2s subcell to 2p subcell, 2s subcell to 2p subcell. Therefore, this is excitation of an electron. Excitation. This is the excitation of an electron. Or excitation of an electron or promotion of an electron. Or promotion of an electron. Promotion of an electron. The electron jumps from lower energy to higher energy. Therefore, that is the excitation of electron. Therefore, that is promotion of electron. Therefore, that electron configuration is excited state electronic configuration. Excitation of electron configuration is 2s1, 2p3, 2s1, 2p3, 2s containing 1 electron, 2p containing 3 electrons, 3 single electrons, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. In this excited state, the carbon containing in outermost shell, how many number of electrons are there? How many number of electrons are there? 4 single electrons are there. Therefore, the carbon containing in ground excited state, carbon valence is 4. Carbon valence is 4. Therefore, 4 covalent bonds are participated. 4 covalent bonds are formed. These are the valency in tetravalency. In carbon, in excited state, carbon valency is 4. Therefore, carbon belongs to 4th A group. Carbon belongs to 4th A group. Tetravalency. Therefore, the valency of carbon is 4. Tetravalency. valency. This is the bonding capacity also 4. The best example of ground state, the carbon example of the carbon ground state electron configuration is C2 molecule. C2 molecule. C2 molecule means the structure of C2. Structure of C2. This is structure of C2. Two bond pair of electrons are shared between two carbon atoms. Two bond pair of electrons are there. Each carbon belongs to 4 electrons. Each carbon containing 4 electrons in outermost cell. Each carbon containing 4 electrons in outermost cell. Therefore, the bonding capacity of carbon is 4. But in case of ground state containing only 2 bonds are participated. Therefore, the bonding capacity is also 2 in ground state. Therefore, this is the 2 bonds are participated. Therefore, this is the electron configuration of carbon C2 molecule is C2. Therefore, here how many number of hybridization? Therefore, sp hybridization takes place. This is the C2 molecule. This is the C2 molecule. And remaining in excited state, the best example of the carbon is excited state methane molecule. Methane molecule. CH4 carbon bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms. Carbon bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, that is the methane molecule. Methane molecule 4 carbon surrounding 4 electrons. Therefore, the valence electrons are carbon is 4. This is a tetrahedral arrangement. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. Electronic configuration of carbon. The first carbon atomic number is 6. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, and this is the outermost electron configuration or valency electronic configuration. The ground state of carbon is valency is 2, and excited state the electrons jumps from lower energy to higher energy. Therefore, that is the excitation of an electron or promotion of an electron. This is the excitation of an electron configuration of carbon is 2s1, 2p3, 2p subcell containing 3 single electrons and 2s subcell also containing 1 single electrons. In the outermost electron configuration of carbon in ground state is 4 single electrons are there. Therefore, 4 sigma bonds are participated, 4 covalent bonds are participated, 4 covalent bonds are formed. Therefore, carbon containing tetravalency in excited state. The best example of methane molecule. Methane molecule carbon valency is 4. Therefore, carbon belongs to 4th group element. Therefore, carbon containing tetravalency. Tetravalency electronic configuration of carbon. Second one, occurrence of carbon. Occurrence of carbon and carbon compounds. Carbon compounds. Occurrence of carbon means the earth crust containing very small amount of carbon. The earth crust 0.02% of carbon, and atmosphere also very least amount of carbon is there. The earth crust containing 0.02% of carbon. 0.02% of carbon, and atmosphere also containing 0.03% of carbon dioxide, formation of carbon dioxide in the form of carbon dioxide. Atmosphere also containing 0.03% of carbon dioxide. This is a nature of carbon in atmosphere, the percentage of earth crust and atmosphere. Next, now in everyday life, the living things also containing carbon compounds. So, tea, coffee, pulses, these are the organic compounds. So many organic compounds are there, and nature of carbon, occurrence of carbon in occurrence of carbon in nature free state, in nature free state, free state, nature in free state. Free state means occurrence of carbon, carbon nature in free states. Three forms are there, three classifications, three solid forms are there. The first one is the diamond, first one is diamond, second one is graphite, second one is graphite, third one Buckminster fullerene. What are fullerenes? Buckminster fullerene, Buckminster fullerene, Buckminster fullerene, Buckminster fullerene. Diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene, carbon in free state, carbon in combined state, carbon in combined state, combined state of carbon, combination of carbon, combined state of carbon. The further classifications, 5 classifications are there. First one is carbon dioxide in air, carbon dioxide in air, combination of oxygen in the air, carbon dioxide formation, and carbonates, form of carbonates, form of carbonates. Carbonates means calcium carbonate, marble, coal, marble, chalk. These are the carbonates. Next, fossil fuels, fossil fuels, fuels, fossil fuels, fossil fuels like natural gas, coal, petroleum, natural gas, coal, petroleum, natural gas, coal, petroleum, natural gas, fossil fuels, carbon compounds, organic compounds, carbon compounds, organic carbon compounds, organic compounds, organic carbon compounds are further classification like carbon compounds are carbohydrates, proteins, carbohydrates, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Fifth classification, wood, wool, charcoal, wood, wool, charcoal. Occurrence of carbon in free state. In free state, carbon 3 forms are there: diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. In combined state, carbon dioxide in air. Second one is carbonates, calcium carbonate, marble, chalk, fossil fuels like a coal, petroleum, natural gas, organic compounds, that is like a carbohydrates, proteins, fats, amino acids, and wood, charcoal. These are the combination of carbon in free state of carbon. Next subtopic is allotropy. Next one is allotropy, allotropy of carbon. Allotropy of carbon. Allotropy, what is the definition? What is the meaning of allotropy? Allotropes of carbon means allotropy. Define allotropy. A single element can exist as a single element can exist different various physical forms, can exist various physical forms. What are different physical forms? different physical forms. Is called a single element can exist as a single element, various single element can exist as a different physical forms is called allotropy. Allotropy of carbon. Carbon, in the form of allotropy, carbon can act as a three forms are there. Allotropy of carbon. First one is diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. Allotropes, carbon allotropes. Diamond, graphite, fullerene. First one is a diamond. Diamond is a hard molecule, bulky molecule. Diamond is a brightness and it containing sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral arrangement, sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral arrangement untadi. And graphite can act as a, graphite is a soft differences. Allotropes of carbon, diamond, graphite, fullerenes. Diamond and graphite. Diamond is a bulky molecule, rigid structure, This is a lightweight molecule, layer structure, it's containing layer structure. Next one, diamond participated sp3 hybridization. Here carbon participated in sp2 hybridization. The structure of diamond, carbon bonds with other 4 carbon atoms. These are the C, carbon. 4 covalent bonds are formed. This is the tetravalency. Tetravalency. Each carbon bonded with 4 other carbon atoms, Each carbon atom bonded with 4 other carbon atoms. Therefore, this arrangement is called tetrahedral geometry. In graphite, each carbon atom sp2 hybridization. Center of carbon atom is sp2 hybridization. This is the central carbon atom, central carbon atom. The central carbon atom attached with 3 carbon atoms, 3 another carbon atoms. Each carbon atom attached with 3 other carbon atoms, 3 other carbon atoms. Therefore, 3 sigma bonds are formed, 3 covalent bonds are formed in this graphite. Therefore, graphite can containing sp2 hybridization, 3 sigma bonds, 3 other carbon atoms, each central carbon atom bonded with 3 other carbon atoms. Therefore, this is a trigonal planar, or this is a sp2 hybridization takes place. sp2 hybridization takes place in graphite. sp2 hybridization takes place in graphite. Therefore, this is a can act as a cyclohexane planar structures. This is a sheet like structure. This is a sheet like structure, or sheet like structure, or layer structure. Sheet like structure or layer structure. Sheet like structure or layer structure. Third point goes to diamond can act as a bad conductor or insulator. Diamond can act as a bad conductor. Bad conductor. There is no conductivity. No conductivity. No conductivity. Or insulator. Or insulator. Diamond can act as a insulator, or there is no conductivity, or bad conductor. In graphite can act as a good conductivity, good conductor. Graphite can act as a good conductor. Why? Because in graphite the central atom carbon containing free electrons are there, single electrons. Flow of electrons is nothing but current. Therefore, the single electrons move easily. Therefore, it passes the current. Therefore, it can act as a conductor. In graphite can act as a conductor. Graphite can act as a good conductor. This is the 3 points: good conductor and sp3 hybridization, graphite, diamond, what are the uses of diamond? Uses of diamond. Fourth point, uses of diamond. Diamond making diamond making as a jewelry, making jewelry. Diamond can act as a making jewelry. Graphites can act as a lubricant. Or grease, lubricant or grease. Next, diamond. In this diamond can act as a internal reflection, total internal reflection. Due to the total internal reflection, refractive and reflective. Diamond can act as a bulky molecule. Yes, diamond making a jewelry. Graphite can act as a lubricant, grease, and is making extraordinary brilliance. Extraordinary brilliance due to due to refractive and reflection of light, due to reflection and refraction of light, reflection and refraction of light, refraction of light, refraction of light. Fifth point goes to graphite can be used as a dry lubricant, non-volatile. Graphite powder mixed with petroleum jelly to form graphite grease, used as a lubricant for moving parts of machinery. Graphite powder. Graphite can be used as a dry lubricant in the form of graphite powder. Dry lubricant in the form of graphite powder. In the form of graphite powder or are mixed with petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly to form graphite grease, by using in pencil. These are the differences between diamond and graphite. Another one is Buckminster fullerene. Buckminster fullerenes containing C60 molecules. Buckminster fullerene C60 molecule. Buckminster fullerene C60 molecule. In this Buckminster fullerene can act as a like a buckyball type. This is each Buckminster fullerene containing 12 pentagonal rings, 12 cyclopentane rings, and 20 hexagonal rings. This is a buckyball shape, wickyball or buckyball shape. This is a structure of in the fullerenes containing sp2 hybridization takes place. The central carbon atom sp2 hybridization takes place. sp2. Each carbon atom bonded with another 3 carbon atoms. Each carbon atom bonded with another 3 carbon atoms. 3 covalent bonds are formed. Therefore, this is the bonding capacity also 3. Therefore, covalent bonds are formed. This is the trivalency. This is the trigonal planar shape. Trigonal planar. This is a Buckminster fullerene, diamond, graphite, fullerene. So, this is the allotropes of carbon. This is the allotropes of carbon. Next, continue the class. next class.